Hi, my name is Mallory Meisner, and today is a special day for Kappa Kappa here in Monmouth because it's our house dedication.
It is the legacy of the role of women at Monmouth College that was one of the most powerful attractions among many for Lobe and me when we were first becoming acquainted with the college 3 years ago.
What makes the house a home is the love, devotion, sacrifice of time, and energy by many Kappas, many generations. Kappa houses are built on faith. Faith in the college, faith in our fraternity and the fraternity system, faith in your alumni, as well as in the present and future undergraduates of your chapter. We believe that in this house, gracious living will be developed, intellectual achievements will be promoted, and Kappa standards will be maintained.